In this video, I will tell you that how to turn off camera sound on Snapchat. So when we actually take a snap from Snapchat, we always hear a shutter sound or camera sound from Snapchat. So how you can actually turn this off? So first of all, we need to open up the Snapchat here, and after opening up Snapchat here, if we just like take a snap here, we should hear a camera or shutter sound. So how we can actually turn it off? So now in Snapchat there is not any option to turn it off, but we can actually do this. We can go back and decrease the volume or turn off the volume of our sound, okay, of our Android device. So if your volume is full like this, just do like this, okay. Turn the volume down of your Android device, go back to Snapchat again, and now if you take the snap here again, you will not hear any kind of camera sound or shutter sound on Snapchat. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.